How to recover Snapchat messages. To recover your messages on Snapchat, you first need to open up the Snapchat application. And once you're in the Snapchat app, you need to tap on Profile on the top left corner. Once you're here in this page, tap on Settings on the top right. After getting to the Settings section, scroll down until you find the option My Data in Privacy Control section. Tap on it. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. On this page, you will see all the data available for download. From here, you need to enable the option Export HTML files, which is recommended. Then, if you scroll down, you will get to select all the other options according to your preference. You can select and unselect any one that you want. Then tap on Next. Now, select the time period of the data that you want to recover. Here, I'm selecting the option All Time. Then, confirm it with your email and tap on Submit. There you go. You can now easily access your previous data. So, by following these steps, you can easily recover Snapchat messages.